Can you can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So okay. All right. Solomon, hope you are still here. Okay, yeah. I can see. Okay, so I only showed us how you can actually name your account. Now, the next thing we want to look at is let's go into the Python coding. So we have some simple tasks we want to perform tonight, and I want us to pay attention at this point. So the first task is for us to look at what is Python. What is Python programming? So I'm going programming language, so I'm going to bring it down to our level. But before that, there is what we call comments. Comments in coding means ordinary statement that the language will not mind. A statement that you write just for you to explain what you are doing to yourself or to the third party. So whenever you write comments in coding, it means that it is not for the program. The program should not execute it. So in Python, how do you write comment? How do you write comment in Python? You see, you click here for those that are going to use Colab. If you check your keyboard, you will see a shift button. You hold down that shift button and then you locate where you have number 3. And when you press it, you are going to get this hash sign. Now, anything you write in front of this hash in Python programming is referred to as comment. So which means that what? The program should not execute it. Remember, we just finished talking about writing of code and executing code. So for example, I'll say what? This is a comment. This is a comment. So which means that what? You are telling Python, I hope you are writing your note, you are telling, that is the meaning of that hash. It has a meaning. You are telling Python not to run this code. That is what you are telling Python. Is anybody following? Hello? Is anybody following? Can I get a response, please? Solomon?
Ah,
Yes, I'm
Okay.
following. Yes, I'm
Okay.
following.
Okay.
yes, sir. I'm
So,
following, sir.
okay. So anytime you start with this hash, you have automatically switched Python to comment mode, which means that what? This is just for me to explain what I'm doing to myself or to the person I am going to hand over this code to if we are working as a team. Now, how do I know if Python will not execute it? For those of us using Colab, you can see this icon. You click on it or you come here. This is how you can run your code. You either click on it here or you click on it here. Just hold on. Once you click, let's hold on to see what the result is going to look like. So what is happening right now is processing the IDE, which is the Colab, is processing that code to output something for us or to display something on the screen, which is called printing in Python. Okay. So now we are still, look at it now. I think, let me remove this. Cell is what? Cell. Let me hover on it. Okay, so executed. No outcome came out. No outcome came out. Why? Because what? It was a comment. Like I told us, you told Python not to do what? Not to execute it. Now, if you are using Colab, if you are using Colab, there is something that you need to check. You have to come to this place and make sure that it's showing this connect to a host what runtime. Just make sure that that is what checked, and you can see RAM and disk. Okay, you have questions. Somebody raised up hand. Please ask your question. Hello. Somebody raised up hand. Could it be a mistake? Sorry, come again. I didn't get you.
No. How do I have a notebook?
Okay, you said you are joining with laptop, right?
No.
Okay, you are joining with phone,
Yes.
and you want to write your code on notebook, right? If
Yes.
you want to use notebook, if you want to use a notebook, there's a process that is involved. I would advise you open a browser and go through the Google Colab so that we don't go back. But if your mom is around you, just tell her to open the notebook for you so that you can be writing and executing. So maybe probably in one of the, maybe in the next meeting, I'll show us how to do that so that we can move forward. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have just executed the code, but there was no what? Outcome. So I want to ask you, how come we did not get a result when we executed the code? Who can answer the question? Because we expected that Python will display something under here after running this line of code. Who can tell us why we did not get anything here after executing that line of code? Can anybody try? Solomon, Tehila, and Co. Can anybody tell us why it's only raining here? I believe that is what is affecting the network. Please, if you can hear me, can anybody tell us why we did not output any results after running this line of code? I just need a response just to know if we are following. Please, whenever I'm asking a question, even if you don't know, somebody should just come and say, sir, no idea, so that I can explain to us. I will not keep us in work. Can anybody tell us why the code that we executed did not output any results? Okay, Solomon, you want to
Because
try?
it was a comment, sir. Yes, sir, because it was a comment.
Yeah, that is what I want us to know. So now let's write live code. In a simple term, I'm going to use comment to define Python. So if I want another line of code, I'll click here. All right, so it will give me another word, cell, for me to write another code. And I'm still using comment to explain what I want to do here. I hope we are making our note. So what I want to teach us now is what is Python? What is Python? What is Python? Programming language. What is Python programming language? So this is like my board now where I am writing, and then you should be taking your notes. So in our last session, I actually gave us the definition of Python, but that definition was a little bit advanced for us. Since we have started applying it or speaking the language, I have to come down to your level. So we can define Python as, you can say Python is a language. I hope we are writing. Python is what? A language we use to talk to. The language we use to talk to computers. Hope
Uncle,
I can hear you.
can
Can you?
repeat?
Sorry, I can't hear you very well again. If you can repeat what you just said.
Yeah, like
Your line is breaking. I can barely hear you. Can you speak up now? Let me see if I can get you now. Please, can you come again? I think I should be able to hear you now. Can you come again?
please, can you repeat? I didn't hear you.
Okay. Now, I was typing. Hope you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, please, hope you guys can see my screen, please. Hello, can you see my screen? Solomon and Co. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No or yes? Solomon,
No.
sorry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you see my
I can see
screen?
your screen now.
Okay,
Yes, sir. We
so
can see now, sir.
okay, so what the person that asked I should come again, I was actually defining Python, so you can take the definition from the screen. I said Python is a language we use to talk to computers. That is why it is called computer what? Programming language. I hope that is clear now. Hello? Is that clear? Have we taken down the definition? Guess you must have done that. I want to be cleared on that before I proceed. Are we done writing the definition of Python in a very simple manner? Okay, so I will assume that you can hear me. Solomon, can you hear me again? Please confirm again.
I can hear you.
Yes.
Okay, so all right. So now let's look at it from this angle. Let's look at this from this angle. I just press enter. That is, I want to write all my code in one cell. So I need another cell. So I will have just click here. So I just press enter here because I want to write much code in that cell instead of breaking them into what? Cells. So here, let's look at it this way. This is what we are saying. So we will say example. So I just want to qualify that statement that says that Python is a language we use in talking to computer. So for example, if I ask you now, if I ask you to clap your hand, what does that mean? If I say, okay, so please confirm if you can hear me now. So if I say Solomon, clap your hand. If I say Solomon, clap your hand. I hope somebody can hear me. If I say Solomon,
Yes,
clap
sir.
your
We
hand.
can.
Okay. Now, what will you do, Solomon? If I say clap your hand, what will you do? You do something like this, right? Hello. So how did I speak to Solomon now? So what we are saying is that Python is a programming language which we use to talk to the computer to do something. So for example, I can tell Solomon to clap his hand, and then Solomon we perform a task. So we should understand that when we talk to computer, sorry, the network is a little bit unstable. I believe we'll have a better network next class. Please, can you hear me, please? Somebody should confirm. Somebody should confirm for me.
Yes, sir. We can. Yes.
Okay, all right. So please
Yes.
let's just manage the network. It's raining actually. So I was trying to explain something to us, how we talk to the computer with programming languages like Python. So I was trying to give a practical example that I can tell Solomon to clap his hand, and then Solomon will clap his hand, which means that I gave Solomon instruction and Solomon acted on that instruction. So that is how programming is. It's not one-way traffic. You gave instruction, then the language responds to you, like we are going to see in a moment now. So it will talk. Let's quickly look at let's print a simple instruction. So let's say I want to tell Python to print my name, so which every one of us should perform out there as well. So let's say we want to tell Python to print my name. Just make sure you write it, because you are going to do that as well. So let's say we want to tell Python to print my name. So how do we write that instruction to tell Python to print our name? Now, if you are writing live code, not comments, you do not need to start with a hash. So I'm not going to write hash, because this time around, I'm telling Python to do something. I'm telling Python to execute that code. You know, like when we're using comments, we're not telling Python to execute anything. That is why we are not getting results. But now I want to tell Python to print my name, just like you are going to do there also. You tell Python to print your name. And then if you are writing it, you must not start with hash. Please take note of that. So we are going to say print. So the print is a Python function or command, all right, which is used to display something on the screen. Did anybody got that? I say print is a Python command which is used to display something on the screen. What do we want to display? I want Python to display my name. So I will tell Python print, and you must add the parenthesis bracket. Take note of the type of bracket. Make sure you are making your note. All right. So now I'll put my name inside that bracket. And because my name is text, is not a number, I am going to put it inside what? Quotes or quotation. So I will do like this. If you are using laptop, you press shift and what? The shift and the quotation icon by your right hand side, very close to the enter key. I hope somebody is following. Please let me get a response.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're following, sir.
Okay, so let me also confirm from Tehila. Tehila, I hope you are also following. Make sure you write down your code and be able to practice them later when you have, if you cannot set up. Okay, so now your name that you want to print will be inside this particular quotation. That is because I am printing a test. I am printing a test. In our next class, we are going to talk about what? Data type, so that we understand why we are putting the this right up in the quote. So I will say my name is, I will say Prosper is my name. So now if I run this code again now, you see what will happen? We should get an output now, because we are not writing comments. So you can see that what? Python printed out what? Prosper. I hope we are following. So let's try that as our class will print your name. Tell Python to print your name. Remember we said programming or Python is a language we use to talk to the computer to do something for us. So what have I instructed Python to do for me? I simply ask Python to print my name. So I want to give us 3 to 4 minutes to achieve this task. If you are using your phone, remember you ought to have downloaded Python 3 from our Play Store, and then you should be able to navigate if you have watched that video that I sent to you. So how many of us are trying it? Solomon, are you doing it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Tehila, are you also doing it? Please, once you have gotten it, just kindly notify us that, sir, I have gotten the outputs. You write here. I'm supposed to be writing this thing.
Sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Error.
Okay, you say you are using laptop, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you
Can
share?
I share my screen, sir?
Yes, that is what. Now share your screen. Let's see. Just click on the share button.
Okay,
It will
sir.
send me.
I've done
Okay.
that, sir.
Okay, so now let me stop sharing just to go on Solomon's screen and check. Click on share now so it will allow you to share. Others you can also follow. So I'm coming on Solomon's screen now. Solomon, I can see your screen now. Okay. Now you must know how to debug. Please, let's pay attention here. One thing about writing code is that errors are bound to happen. And that is what we end up, increasing your creativity, like I told us in the first session. Because the art of persisting, remember, the art of staying put, that is what we actually increase your creativity and your problem solving ability. Now, this is a problem and we want to solve it. Now, anytime you write a program and you get an error like this, your focus should be on the error name. What is the error name? Name error. You say what? Name print is not defined. Now, whenever you get this kind of error, it means something is missing. So let's check what is missing. Now check print Esther, and what we have is what it says print is missing. Now click on that. I want you to click on that place where you have the RAM. Click on that place where you have the RAM by your right hand side. That place I took us to that. You need to check your connection. Where you have RAM disk. I can see RAM where you have that check box. RAM by your right hand side where you have that delete icon on top. No, down a little. No, you were almost there now. Where you can see RAM, RAM. Just go to that place. Can you see
sir.
RAM?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, click on the drop down beside it. I want to see the host that is.
Okay, sir. I've dropped it.
Okay, hold on. Now click on the connect to host runtime. Click on the first option. Let me see. Click on the first option. Let's see what you get.
I've clicked on it, sir.
Just hold on. Okay, it's connected, right? Now, you see this dot that you have there is not a comment. Okay, now don't worry. Click on that run again. Run the code again. Let's see. Run the code again. No, not there. Click on it again. Let me see. Click. The P The P is in capital letter. Can you clear the code and write it again? Let me see. Let me be sure of what.
Okay,
Clear
sir.
everything. Clear everything. Oh yeah, run it again.
Capital
Run it
letter,
again.
sir.
No. Run it first. Just run it. Let everything normalize first. Click on that run again.
Okay.
I want all this error to disappear. Good. Oh yeah, type now. Type.
Sir,
Oh yeah, print.
is it capital letter P?
No. Just type print.
Okay, sir.
Print. Just type print. Oh yeah, open the bracket. Open the parenthesis bracket. Open the parenthesis bracket. Can you do that fast? Good. Oh yeah, open the string,
I've done
the
that.
quotation. Oh yeah, type your name now. Oh yeah, type. Type. Okay. Oh yeah,
I've
run the
done that,
code.
sir.
Now run the code. Let me see what you're going to get. Perfect. So you can see it. It worked now.
Yes, sir.
So something was
Yes, sir.
wrong before. Okay. So you can stop sharing. Let's go back to the class. Stop sharing. Okay.
I've done
So
that, sir.
let me confirm from Tehila and Co. How are we doing? I don't know if your mom has been able to help you to get to that anaconda. Tehila and Co, please, how are you doing? Let me hear from you.
Sir, I'm done.
Okay, perfect. Are you using phone or laptop?
Laptop.
Okay. Are you using Google Colab or you are using Anaconda?
No. Anaconda.
Okay. All right.
Nick.
All right. So now let's perform another simple task. So the task we are going to perform now is that we are going to greet somebody. We are going to say, hello, Prosper, instead of what? So we are going to create an app that can greet somebody. So let's say I'm going to use comment to explain it here. Remember that anytime you want to write comment, you bring in the hash. So what is the tag? Make sure you write all this in your note. Write a Python app to greet. Write a Python app to greet someone. So we are going to write a simple code that says what? Good morning, Jude, or good morning, Prosper, or hello, Prosper, right? So, but you are going to put your name. So how do we write the app? What we are going to do, I'm going to say, that same print again. You say print. Now we open. Remember that anytime you want to print text, you must put it in that string. Those double quotation we are writing, they are called string in programming. I will explain that better in our next meeting. All right. So, but in this meeting, we just want to learn the basic syntax of Python. We are not really going deep, just for us to start scratching the surface. So here I will say, hello. I will say hello. Hello, Prosper. Hello, Prosper. All right, so we are printing two words now. So if I run it again, hello, Prosper. So I should get what? It printed this first word, Prosper, and printed what? Hello, Prosper. Please, can we also do that? Oh yeah, everybody. Greet yourself or greet someone. Hello, Prosper. This is the
I've done it, sir.
right. Okay, perfect. All right. Let me also hear from Tehila and Co. Please, can we perform the task? Greet someone.
I'm still working on mine.
Okay, so once you are through, let us know. We are waiting for you. Once you have executed yours, let us know. Hello, Prosper. So you put your name there. Hello, you put your name. copy whatever you see. So we are waiting. So you can see that. Okay, so you can see that we have started learning how to talk to computer, and computer is responding to us. We are talking to the computer, and the computer is responding to us. Are we together? Are we together? So now,
Yes, sir.
somebody asks you
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
that can you talk to computer? You say what? Yes. Which language do you know how to use to talk to the computer? You say what? Python. All right. So we are speaking Python, just like the way you speak Yoruba, you speak Hausa. So that's exactly what we are doing. So we are going to perform another simple task, right? So, well, this is going to be your classwork. Your classwork, let me write it. If you couldn't get it, then I will, solve it. So your class task is, so make sure you are copying everything. So write a Python code. Write a Python code that says I love coding. I love coding. Oh yeah, quickly. That is your class task. Using what we have learned. I want to see who can get it. I want to output, instead of hello Prosper, it will output I love coding. Oh yeah, I'm giving us 3 minutes to achieve that. That is your classwork. Write a Python code that display on the screen I love coding. I'm waiting. Are we together? Once you have gotten it, please let us know.
Code that says
Who has outputted?
I've done
Hello?
it, sir.
Okay.
I've done it, sir.
Okay. So let's clap for Solomon. Let's wait for Taylor. We are waiting for you. Taylor, I would have loved to be seeing your screen. I think you are joining with laptop or you are writing. Have you done it?
Yeah. I don't know how to enter Google notebook.
How to enter Google Notebook? Okay. You open a browser. Let me just go through it again. Do you have a Google Chrome on your laptop? Do you have Google
No,
Chrome on your?
I'm using a phone.
If you are using a phone, if there's no Google Chrome app, then you could have just used the application that asks those that are using phone to download before now. Are you in the same room, the same place with your brother or your sister?
No, I'm not in the same place with my sister.
Okay. So, what is your mom around you? Let me see if they can help you to navigate.
My mom is busy.
Okay. So, but check the phone if you can see. Okay.
because I'm getting invalid, like wrong. My work is wrong.
Okay. So I'm going to do the correction. Then you can correct your code right there. Or let me see if I can help your brother or your sister out. So I want to ask that phone, if you slide through it, can you say Google Chrome as an app on that phone? Can you say Google Chrome? If you can say
Yes, sir.
oh yeah, open it, an app with this logo, just open it. If you have opened it, let me know. Have you
I have
opened it?
opened it. Yes,
Oh
sir.
yeah, if you have opened it like this, let's say if you have opened it like this, do you have an interface like this or like here? Can you see a text box like this or like this? Which one can you
I've
see?
gotten it.
Okay,
I've gotten my answer.
okay, your answer. Okay, okay. Are you the one having issue of accessing Google Chrome?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. So I'm asking the person that we are putting through on how to access the Google Colab. I'm asking if the Google Chrome has opened. Can you say a box like this? Please answer us so that we can.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
say, oh yeah, type inside like this, Google Colab. Type this inside it and press enter. And click on go. What did you get? Once you type it like this, then it will take you to an interface like this. Is that where you are now?
Yes,
Hello. Now click on
sir.
this option. Yeah, click on this option. Click on this option. And once you click on it, you will allow it to open. You will have an interface like this. Then you now select. Well, let me wait. Have you seen an interface like this?
No, sir.
What do you have?
Well, what should I select?
You said what?
What should I select?
That is, if you click on that, let me see if I can go back. Look at this here. Let me go back. Have you gotten to this interface where I'm navigating at? Can you see something like welcome to Google Colab? Check your phone. You can see this. Can you see it? Welcome to Google Colab on your phone. Can you see this?
No, sir. I can't see it.
What can you see? Just tell me what the options you have there.
I can see Google Colab.
Oh yeah, click on it. Click on it. Click on it.
I have entered.
Okay, when you finish clicking, what do you have now? After clicking, just tell me what you have there. What do you have?
Examples.
Okay.
I have open notebook.
Okay, good. Oh yeah, good. Yeah, click on open notebook. Click on open notebook.
How?
Can you see new notebook like this? New notebook.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, click on it. Click on it. Click on this option here like this. Click on it. So once you click
I've
like
already
this,
done that.
oh yeah, just hold on. I want to see whether the environment I'm going to get will look like your own. Can you see this now? You should be able to see something like this now. You can see
Yes,
this
sir.
icon. So you can start writing your code. Hope you are good now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is where you write that code. Okay, so let's go back to. So for those that perform that class task, which is write a Python code that says, I love coding. So the solution is this. So the solution, let me use comment. Solution to that is that you simply say print, and then you say what? I love Python. So let's add Python to it. I love Python coding. And then if I run it,
you see that what? It will add it to the list of the result we have attributed before. This one is this one. Why this one is this tax? Why this is this? I hope this is how your own came out, Solomon and Co.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So now let's move on. Now let's talk about variable. Let's talk about variable. This will be the last topic. Make sure you are writing. Make sure you are writing, because at the end of this training, you'll be given certificate of participation. So if you notice that you are not performing the classwork and the assignment given, we will not give you certificate. So make sure that whatever I am writing, you should be able to copy all this in your notes. All right, because once you close this Google Colab, you may not have access to it if you don't know how to come back to it. So now let's look at variable. Let's look at variable. So new topic. What is variable in coding? What is variable in coding? What is variable in coding? So let's define it. So I can say variables are boxes. Variables are boxes where we keep things. Where we keep things. Is anybody getting it?
Uncle, I'm having error.
Yes.
Okay, what error are you having? Can you tell us your error?
Like name error.
Name error. How did you write your code? Is it how you wrote the code? Like this. Write this code like this. Is it how you wrote the code? Check, check, check. This line.
No,
Is
sir.
this how, this is what you have to write this one. Which one did you write before? Let me know what you wrote before.
How do I show my screen?
No. Are you using laptop?
No, I'm using a phone.
If you are using a phone to write the code, okay. If you are using a phone, you should see this share icon. I don't know if your mom is there to help you to share it. There is a share button you click on. Is your mom around you?
Mr. Prosper, I'm trying to share the screen.
Okay, so please, I want to see it. Let me stop. Just click on share. Okay, I think I'm coming on. Yes, I'm on your screen now. Okay. Let's see the code. Let's see the code. Okay. Okay. That same issue Mr. Solomon had. Please, can I see the top? Okay, you started from Prince Prosper. Please, can you clear the entire code? Can you clear the entire code again? Let's confirm if you are connected. Okay, so that place you have RAM. That place you have RAM. They drop down beside it. Click on it. That place you have RAM. There's a place you have RAM. Under it you have disks. Under it you have disks. There's a place where you have RAM. Under it you have disks. Click on the drop down beside it. Click on the drop down.
This
where you
arrow.
see. Yes.
Okay.
Where is it? Okay, good. Now click on the first option. Connect to a hosted runtime. Click on it. Let's reconnect again. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Once you can see that R and this again, it means it's connected. Good. Now we are write that code again. I'm watching. Write that code again.
How do you write the code? I'm trying to. It's not coming on.
No, click on that plus. Click on the plus.
Okay.
The plus. Oh yeah. or your type. Print, open the brackets. Okay. Close, okay. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, good. Oh, yeah, close the bracket. Close the bracket also. Okay. Oh, yeah, run it. Now look up, look up, look up, look up. Can you hear me?
Yes, come on.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now listen. That place you see on title, go and tap it and type your name. On title, remember that you must not delete the dots. Good. We have delete the whole of the untitled. Good. Everything before. Good. Exactly. We have type your name so that the program will probably save. It was not saved before. It was not saved. Once we are seeing that white like this, means that it's not saved. We are going and run now. Click on that icon now and run. Click on. What are we still getting? Name print is not defined. Now, the P, is it capital letter? Please let it be small letter. The P should be small letter, please. That will be the issue. No, you are using phone. It will automatically, or you run it again. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so take note of that.
Thank you, sir.
All right, the P should not be capital letter, please, everybody. All right, so, okay, so let's go back. Stop sharing so that I can go back to my screen. Let's go back to my screen. All right, so now you can copy the definition of variable. What did I say is variable again? Who can read it out? What did I say is variable? Look at this here. Variable is, or variable are what?
Variable are boxes where we keep things.
Now, can you tell me example of variable in your house? Example of variable in your house.
Like a bottle.
Your lunch bag, where your mommy normally keep your book, your food. Can we say it's a variable?
Your cupboard.
Your
Yes,
cupboard.
sir.
Good. Good. Now, variable can be what? That means a container, right? That you keep things. So now we are going to create a variable that stores that name that we are putting. Because if I close this program now, you can no longer see all these things, which means that you are not storing them anywhere. You are just displaying them. Now we are going to create variable. So this is how to write variable. So you write a variable syntax. Let's say what? Variable syntax. What did I say is syntax again? Can somebody remind me? You know, I've defined syntax. Who can tell us what is variables? What is syntax? What is syntax, please?
Syntax are rules.
Good. There are rules that we follow while coding. Now, which means when I say variable syntax, it means the rules of writing what? Variable. The rules of creating those boxes where we keep things. If you don't follow the rule, the item will not be saved there. So the rule is that you must start with the name of the variable, which must not be a keyword. What is an example of a keyword? This print. This print has been named in the program. You cannot say print is your variable name. So let's say what? I want to store my bag inside the variable. So I will say the variable name is bag. All right. Then I will now put equals to. That equals to. It does not mean equality in programming, in coding. It means assignments. It means assignments. I'm still going to put it in writing for you. Now, what do I want to store? I want to store, okay, let's go with our name. So my name is my variable, which means I'm creating a box where I want to store my name. So the equal sign there is a pipe that we carry my name inside what? The container named what? My name. Then my name is a text. Because of that, I will put it in what? In double or single quote. Then you put your name inside. All right, so let me use a different name because we have outputted that name. So I will use this. Eguero is my name. Now, if I want to print that name, I will now write print, that same print we are using, then I will just put this inside it, not in quotes. I will just say what? My name is a variable name. My name. So who can tell us what we are going to get? Can anybody tell us if I print this, what results are we expecting?
Eguero, sir.
Good. So let me print now. Let me print. You see that what? It printed what? Eguero. So which means that what? All these ones, they are not stored anywhere. If you close this program now, the program will not record them. But this one, if I close this program and I run it tomorrow, I have them, I have this name stored in what? A variable. So I ask again, what is this? What is this? Who can tell us what is this that I just, how do we call this? How do,
This variable.
good, a variable. Okay, yeah, break it down. Break it down. What is this? Don't call variable. What, how can we describe this? Can we say this is a box? Can we say it's a box?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What,
sir.
what do you have inside the box? What do you have inside the box?
Eguero.
Eguero. Now, your classwork, create a variable that stores your mom name and output it for me. That is going to be the last task for tonight. So in our next class, we continue from variable. Your classwork before we leave, create a variable that stores your mom's name. Let me write it here. Create Python variable that stores your mom name. Okay, oh yeah, let's start. So remember that you are going to follow this syntax. So you create the box first, store your mom name, then you use the print to print it out for us. Hope you are writing, write your, copy of it to your notes, because next class, anybody that will answer my question 100%, we collect something. There will be an award or collect gifts. So make sure you write and read your notes so that you can answer my question in the next class so that you can collect gift too. Are we together? Who has gotten it? I'm waiting for us to output
I've
answer.
done it, sir.
Okay, so you share your screen because
Okay, sir.
you guys can deceive me. No, I'm not in your house. So share your screen. Let me see it. So we are going on Solomon's screen now to check what he has done while I'm waiting for other.
I've done it, sir.
Okay, I think we are coming on your screen now. Hold on for. Okay. Oh, so Solomon's mom's name is Esther. Okay. All right. So I'm waiting for the next person. Solomon, you can stop sharing now. You can stop sharing. Let me share my screen.
I've done that, sir.
Okay, so I'm waiting for the rest. I hope you are working, please. Taylor and Co. Hope you are. Please, this is after now. We need to close. I just want to make sure that. So your assignment, while I'm waiting for them, so just keep writing these assignments. Compulsory assignments. assignment, your tax 1 is create.
I'm getting an error.
Okay, so you will share your screen. So let's see how we can correct you. Please, can you share your screen? I hope you know how to share your screen now. Share your screen quickly. Let's correct the error before we call off the class. Okay, you have switched. Okay, this is the person using Anaconda. Okay, so now the error is that place you have my name. Please close them up. Don't leave space. Don't leave space. My name, let them be together. No. My name, not there. Before the good, close it. Close that space. No. Let them together. Let the 2 words be together. If you know how to add underscore or hyphen, just add underscore or you merge them together. Or you close the space. Good. Or you run it again to work now. Now, this is what you do. No, it will not work yet. Go inside the bracket and also close the one you have there. Inside the print bracket, inside the print bracket, inside what you have inside the quotation, delete it and type my name. Let them be together. Inside the quotation, delete everything you have inside the quotation. No, don't remove the bracket. Add the bracket back. After deleting everything, make sure you add the bracket back before. Just type name, add name to it. Add the brackets. Just complete this one first. Good. Go back and add the bracket. Add the bracket. Add the bracket. Okay, run it now. Run it now. What? Do you still get error there? My name. Oh, the bracket you use. Look up. The bracket, that my name. Go to my name line. Delete that calling bracket that you added there. It's even telling you in your error. Delete it. You're not supposed to have it. Good. Run the code again. Run the code again. Perfect. Okay? All right. So you can see, this is how you can solve problem. You just finished solving one problem now. All right?
Uncle,
Okay.
Mom is
All right. Okay, somebody say something. Please, can I hear from you?
mine is showing error.
Okay, share your screen. This person should stop sharing screen so that we can go on the next person's screen, please. So that we can round up and know our phone should be running down now. Okay, so let's see. Go to your development environment. Okay. You are still getting error of what? Okay. You have not created a variable. You did not create variable. You are supposed to add another line or you press enter from the previous one so that you can have a new line to create the variable. You have not created the variable. Okay, I press enter after the first line. Press enter so that you go. Press enter. Press enter. Type. Create a variable. My name. My name is equals to my name together. Don't space. We just corrected someone. No, don't space. Let it be together. My name. Let it be together, please. Good. Type. My name equals to, put the equal sign. Put the equal sign. Put the equal sign. Okay. Open the bracket. Sorry, the quotation sign. Open it. Open the quotation sign. No. Quotation sign. Okay. Type your name. Put your name there. Put your name there. And then close it when you are through. I am waiting. Let me see what you have. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Press enter. Go to the next line. Go to the next line. Please, can you go to the next line? You can hear me? Are you already at the next line? Okay. Oh yeah. Type print. Type print. Type print. Open the bracket, the right bracket, the parenthesis bracket, the function bracket. Then, oh yeah, type my name the way it is. No. Before you close, no. Just one bracket, you have to open one bracket, not two. The other one should be the closing bracket. Please, let's hurry up. You close, remove one of the brackets. Remove one of the brackets. Delete one bracket. Have you done that? And type my name inside it before you close the bracket. Oh yeah, close the bracket. Oh yeah, let's execute now. Run the code. Run the code. Are you still getting error? I can't see the entire error. What do you get? Yes, that print. The print should not be capital letter, please, like we did the other time. Good. Oh yeah, run it again. Are we still having error? The print, one of the prints is still in capital letter, the P at the top, because it's affecting the code, because Python will run the code from the top. The other print at the top, the first print, change it to small letter. Yes, the one you save, the one printing Hannah, change it to small letter. Yes. Small letter. Oh yeah, run the code. Are you there? Run it now. Let's see.
This is good.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. All right. So let's take note of these little challenges. Okay, so this is where we stop. Let me give us the assignments. And I said it's compulsory. Everybody must do the assignments. So task 1 is that write Python code to print. I hope we are taking down the assignment. To print welcome. Write Python code to print welcome to Digitech Z-Hub. That is the first task. The second task, task 2. Task 2, create 3 different variables to store the following information. One, or let's say A, your dad name, comma, B, your school name. I hope you are following, please. Let me get your response. Your school name.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Our
C.
following.
Okay, C. Your country name. Your country name. So let me take this out so you can see it. Your country name. So that is your second task. Task 3. Task 3. Create Python code that stores your, or that prints rather, Python code to print your best food. Because I know children, you like food, isn't it? You like food. So I would like to know your best food
Yes,
in the
sir.
next class.
Love you so much, sir.
So I would like to know your best food in the next class. So these are the tasks you are to perform. So once you are done copying, please let me know so that we can close the class. So I want to hear from us. Let me start with Solomon. Solomon, how was the class? Just tell us whether you enjoyed the class. After Solomon, I'll come to the next person before we close quickly.
I enjoyed the class, sir.
Okay. The next person. Thank you very much, Solomon.
I enjoyed the class.
Thank you. The next person.
I enjoyed the class very much.
Thank you. Because you add very much, remind me that in the next class, I'm going to give you a gift. What's your name?
The class was educative.
Lemuel.
Hey, are you sure I can pronounce this name? Give me a name that I can
I
pronounce.
can tell
Okay.
you inside the chat.
Good. Just drop it there. Okay. Just remind me next class that, sir, where I need my gifts. I'll give you a gift for saying you enjoyed the class very much. All right. So if you are done writing the assignment, please. Solomon, you want to say something?
I enjoyed it very, very much, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please, I'm waiting for us to copy the assignment before I close the line.
Sir, my name is in the chat.
Okay, let me take it. Okay. Okay, Lemuel. Okay. I've taken note of that. But make sure you remind me before we start the class in our next session. Please, I'm waiting. Once
Okay,
you are
sir.
done writing, let me know.
I'm done, sir.
Okay. Let me also hear from the next person. I am waiting.